Master the ring, unleashing the power of darting and dashing and boxing. Hello Earthlings, Chevalier Ronald from the Bronx here, and today we're going to break down what it means to dart and to dash in the ring, outside of the ring, or in your own home. To dart is to come in explosively and to come out either with an attack or just to evade. To dash is to move in swiftly and to come out swiftly without them even realizing that you did that. So they can't hit you, but yet you can come in and counter them. Now the style that really exemplifies what it means to dart and dash in tandem with each other is the Soviet boxing style. Now while you're bouncing up and down, they're going to be mesmerized by just your overall movement before you even throw a punch. You're jerking your arms forward, keeping them loose and getting ready to go in. Now, as they're thinking about all of this going on, it makes it easier for you to just come in and come back out. Because the whole purpose of the Soviet boxing style is for everything to come off of that pendulum bounce, going in and going out. Another style that's really good for that is the peekaboo. I'm moving, boom, and I'm being explosive. They don't see it coming, and it catches them off guard. The gazelle hook is another attack coming in that's darting, very explosive, and do not see it coming. Now dashing, I'm in my stance here, they're coming forward, I'm moving back very swiftly without me really exerting effort. And at the same time, by me moving very swiftly, I can come in with a counter very subtly and take that opponent out of their game or just take them out completely. But keep this in mind, fighters that are very great at this was Manny Pacquiao, Roy Jones Jr., Muhammad Ali, Sugar Ray Leonard, Floyd Mayweather, Prince Nassim. Like, to have that ability to be explosive, even some traces of Ryan Garcia, to have that ability to be explosive on the way in and being swift on the way out will give you the complete edge over anyone. So if you really want to practice certain techniques that's going to get you there for darting, practice the pendulum bounce. Just get comfortable with having loose but rigid ankles. Very stable, you're not exerting too much energy. Kind of bouncing how I'm bouncing, not just bouncing straight up on your toes like this, to where your heels are slightly touching, and getting comfortable right here, sort of in this bladed stance. Keep your arms nice and loose. You don't want to telegraph any punch on the way in. So when you want to dart, you can probe, come in with that cross, and come back out. So getting used to the pendulum bounce, very effective. Another one is just in a normal boxing stance. You're here, boom, and you're coming in. So I'm moving here just like this, boom, and I'm coming in, and I can do the same thing, boom, going out without doing the pendulum bounce. Another one is if I'm here, they're about to throw, I'm getting out the way, and I'm shifting very quickly to come in and to counter them and to knock them out. Or if I'm on this side here, it's the same way. I'm coming out the way, breaking the center line, bam, coming in with a powerful hook or uppercut to take that opponent out. Those are moves that you want to practice drilling with your coach, a friend, if they have the mitts. It's very effective just working on slipping or just coming in very subtly and coming out. That's going to take your opponent off guard. That's the reason why Bivol was able to dominate in the manner that he did against Canelo, because he had the ability to dart and dash as he chooses. Now, sometimes the thing that doesn't work to your benefit is that you're not able to really plant your feet. And through planting your feet, that's where you get the most power. But you have like dictatorship in the ring, which is awesome. Muhammad Ali against George Foreman, the Manny Pacquiao against Miguel Cotto. Miguel Cotto is a strong puncher. He can take you out of there, but he had no answers for that type of style, because when you're facing someone that is equally as good as you, but they're explosive, the person that's usually more explosive is always going to beat the person that may be a little bit bigger than them, because it's hard to predict those movements. Now, exercises that you can do for it is the frog hop. You can do about 20 of them going back and forward. The frog hop is very good for building up that explosiveness. explosive split squats while rolling to keep that boxing movement in play. You could do burpees, working on that explosiveness, or even the Mike Tyson push-up. Here, boom, here, boom, boom. Now, when you're trying to build up to that point, to have that ability to dart and dash, take it very slowly. Focus on the basics first. Focus on the box step, going forward, left, back, and moving all around. Focus on the box step first. And then as you get comfortable with the box step, then that's when you can throw some explosiveness into the box step. And then through going through that, then you can double up, going here, side, forward, or back. And then, as you become more advanced, then you get into that pendulum bounce, moving in or moving out, going to the side or veering off. Because then that's just another level of the footwork getting in that right frame of mind for you. And then number 3, this is when you get into the tricky stuff. Like doing a custom honor shift, going left, going right. I'm going back, L stepping, check stepping out the way, pivoting to the left or pivoting to the right. That's when you get into the more advanced movements. But through practicing the basics and focusing on darting and dashing techniques, you're gonna have more of a dominant way of taking over your opponent. That's why Gervonta Davis is such a menacing fighter for anyone. Terrence Crawford also has that ability, and he can be a threat for anyone that he faces. Muhammad Ali in his earlier years was like that in the past. Roy Jones Jr., Prince Nassim, Floyd Mayweather, the list goes on, and Dimitri Bivol to some degree, but in a more subtle degree. Now, if you focus on those movements, it will take you very far. Take your time, have fun in the process. If you can go to a boxing gym and learn that way, that'll probably be the best way. But if you can only learn at home, hopefully this video will help you. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you liked the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to catch more videos like this one, check out this video right here. And always work towards becoming your greatest version.